Finally, guys! Can you please give a round of applause to me? Thank you, thank you. I'm already done po sa report. Reporting! And reporting namin is about, this. Pakita ko sa inyo yung PPT namin. This one. Tapos na po siya, guys. Ang sarap sa feeling kasi, masarap sa feeling sa part ko. Kasi I'm the leader of this group and syempre sa leader nakasalalay kung mapapalpak yung reporting or not. But surprisingly, hindi siya napalpak, guys. Like, I'm so happy. Like, it's such a huge relief na maging successful and nag-collaborate lahat ng teammates mo. And lahat sila nag-coordinate, they work on their part, they did their part, they finished their part. Gusto ko na lang talaga. I wanna cry, I wanna scream. Kaso lang, hindi ko siya na-videohan pag-reporting namin. Siguro next time, kung mabigyan ako ulit ng opportunity to be leader and to report. Or kung mag-report na lang, not to be a leader. I will film it. Literally, I'm gonna film it. It's 11:23 a.m. Sana more like this pa na experience na donate lahat ng team ka-group. Ayun, mga ka-group mo. And I'm so happy for that. Like that. Tsaka nakikita mo to handle those kind of instances. I know sa iba, it will be their bare minimum, but to me, this is a huge opportunity as a student because we could learn on this kind of instance to become a leader. Although, nahihinayang ako, hindi ko na-film. Para makita ko man lang kung anong improvement na dapat kong gawin. Hello guys! Box na natin to. I bought this for my health, for myself, health, because health is wealth. Ganda ng quality! Umiga siya sa plastic ng yoga. Guys, ngayon ko lang na-realize, bawal pala sa YouTube yung maka-copyright ka. Ano ba yan? Maka-copyright ka kapag play ka ng music. Mga ganyan. Diba, nakaka-copyright siya. Still, party is not yet over. Guys, para mag-Pilates, so pag ganito ako, like, I'm going to my Pilates session for today. Pilates session. Yummy-yama! Ilasin. Kitty patu. Sikat. Hey guys, ito na yung yoga mat natin. Guys, pause. Chicken side. Very good! Brown ano niya. Tapos anti-slip din siya. Bro, pwede ko na-expect ganito yung quality. Very demure, very mindful. That's it. Bye. Bye, cheese bags.